Namaste, this is Arnesh Mitra and I am going to do an experiment in DNA. This is a glass and this is the banana which we are going to identify where is the DNA in this banana. So now I am going to mash it. So now we are going to put water in it. Now we need to take salt.
So there's no change basically. I don't see any change. Do you?
No, I think.
Okay.
I think no.
Okay. Then we have to add
Detergent. Okay.
Add few drops. Filter the mix into the white cup using the strainer cloth. So we have to first put this You're done?
Yes.
Add the drops on the corner of this test tube.
Hey all, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video to be interesting, please share it to your friends and known people. Also, if you want such experimental kit boxes for your kids, please reach out in the number below. Thanks a lot.